Again, look at this view. There's a caravan here. Someone else is living up here. Unsuitable for motor vehicles. What does that mean then? Is that a car? Well, or does that mean the motorbikes as well? Are we classed as something else? Fuck me, man. This starting lark, I find it's better in neutral. A little bit of throttle. No, it's not fucking working at all now. I had a bit of a fire back then as well. Backfire. I've always had this problem since I've had it. Okay. Oh, it's not fucking firing at all. I'm up in the middle of fucking nowhere and my bike's not firing. No. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I'll let it cool down for a minute. I'll turn it off for a bit. At least I'm by a fucking house. I suppose I could push it back. I can't believe that. How the fuck's it not working already, like? Shit, man. No, it's not fucking firing at all. Like, I'm fucked now in the middle of fucking nowhere. Got no kickstart. What do you do when it fucking breaks down? I have no fucking idea. You've got to be kidding me. I've only just bought it. I've literally been on one ride, doing fuck all. What the fuck, man? What? I don't even know what to do. I don't even know where I am. Oh shit. No, it's fucked. It's not gonna go. What do you do? Do you bump him? Oh man. What the fuck, like? Alright. Like and subscribe if you want to find out what happens, I guess. Let me turn this off.